Hi, this is Martin from smpl. In this short video, I will make a flow to push data to the smpl mini display. Before you can start pushing data to your display, you need to pair it to your Homey Pro as well as create a display layout. How to connect a smpl mini display to a Homey Pro as well as how to create a display layout is explained in 2 other videos. I will assume you have already successfully paired a display to Homey and created a display layout. Start by opening the Homey app and select the flow section in the bottom. In this example, I have created a folder for my smpl mini displays. Click on the plus sign in the upper right corner to create a new flow. Start by adding a when card by clicking the Add card and then selecting Flow. Choose the This flow is started on the list of flow cards. Click the check mark in the upper right corner. Now go to the Then card in the bottom and click the Add card. Select the smpl app on your list. Now you will see all your smpl mini displays. Choose a display for data. You will now be presented with 3 optional action cards. Select the first card, Set a display layout. Then click Select a display layout to get a full list of all the layouts you have created in the smpl app. In this example, I have created a layout that shows indoor climate data. Click the check mark in the upper right corner. The selected display will now show the layout Climate Indoor when you click the Test button in the bottom of the screen. Finish the setup by clicking the Save button and give your flow a name. And go back to the overview of flows. That is how you create a flow that pushes data to your display. It's that simple.